Many of you remember that a few months ago I talked about how we in the federal government, specifically in the Department of Interior, we're going through a big transition in our Wildland Fire Service, or how we manage wildland fire. And so to that point tonight, I invited a very special guest. So Kelly Singer is going to introduce to you sort of those changes and the creation of a new agency within Department of Interior to handle fire. And it also, this is twofold, it's an opportunity for you to meet him. He's new to Santa Monica Mountains just this past month. He finally started, and I want to brag a little because before the consolidation happened and the new Wildland Fire Service was created, we had a vacant position in Santa Monica Mountains that we used to call our fire management officer. And so I had worked for months on that hiring effort and was able to squeak in and hire Kelly before the consolidation happened. And so I made him the offer when we were all still National Park Service employees. And by the time Kelly started, he was a U.S. Wildland Fire Service employee. But I am thrilled that we got someone of Kelly's caliber and professionalism and long ties to the National Park Service. And so I'm going to let him tell you a little bit about his background as well as kind of what this new agency is all about. And so turn it over to Kelly.
Thanks, Jodi. Yeah, I had a slide presentation. If you could cue that.
Yeah, let me get that queued up. Give me just a moment.
Yeah. So yeah, Jodi stole all of my thunder. New to the Southern California area, but really excited to be here. It's nice to meet the Conservancy members and the public. So I'll talk a little bit about the newly anointed U.S. Wildland Fire Service. When I started, like Jodi said, I was a National Park Service employee, FMO, which was a fire management officer. But that changed once we went into the U.S. Wildland Fire Service. I'm now a deputy unit chief. So we created new areas within the Department of Interior, and I am have a new title. So next slide, please. And so, with the creation of the Wildland Fire Service, and to be clear, this is just the Department of Interior, not the U.S. Forest Service. So there's lots of questions on whether Forest Service is going to come on board or not, but they're doing a long-term study to see the feasibility of the U.S. Forest Service Department of Agriculture eventually joining our ranks. So we'll see what happens there. So we're kind of the smaller organization compared to, once you bring all the bureaus together, which is the BLM, the BIA, U.S. Fish and Wildland Fire Service, and the National Park Service. We're about 4,000 permanent employees. So kind of small potatoes when we're compared to the U.S. Forest Service. Next slide, please. And so our purpose and our mission really hasn't changed. We are responsible for wildland fire response on DOI land, so Department of Interior, federal land management, wildland fire response, and that includes all fuel fire management, including fuels, projects, and overseeing a wildland response on our lands. Next slide, please. So this is kind of an interim map of what California is going to look like for our DOI units. And so you can see with the U.S. Wildland Fire Service, they always tell us this is subject to change. So this map will likely change. You can see 11 units that are broken up into different, what we're calling geographic area boundaries. And so down there to the south, we're the coastal mountain unit. And I had the opportunity to coin that phrase, so pretty stoked. And so you can see, our boundary goes all the way out to Bakersfield. So it includes some BLM Bakersfield units, We oversee Channel Islands National Park, and then all of Santa Monica Mountains rec area. So currently that's kind of our boundary, and the way we are a stovepiped organization now. I don't necessarily report to a superintendent or a chief ranger at a park. I report to a new unit chief who oversees, each geographic area has its own unit chief, and then we report to that person, and then all the way up the chain, the Wildland Fire Service to our new chief, Fennessy, who came from Orange County. So yeah, whole new program. Next slide, please. And so, yeah, a little more direct message from Chief Fennessy, pretty clear intent. Working closely with our cooperators. I've been going to lots of cooperator meetings with the counties, Ventura County, LA County. So working closely with the Forest Service as well and our state partners. So still maintaining that strong relationship with the parks and the parks mission. And as we respond to fires and we implement fuels projects, we want to ensure that those objectives of the lands that we're managing are meeting the mission. Next slide, please. So MedCoast unit formerly was the MedCoast because we also had fire response for Cabrillo National Monument, but now we're just kind of my purview is overseeing Santa Monica Mountains and Channel Islands. And so right now we're kind of a small group, but now that we have all of these other resources available to us, we're starting to build out our network. So we're going to hire a new fuels chief, which we're getting ready to advertise, another battalion chief that kind of oversees operations. And then we still have our fully staffed engine, which is stationed over at Paramount. Those guys just came back from a fire assignment, and so they respond to any fires that threaten the rec area, any fires that are within the rec area in Santa Monica Mountains. So we're working on building up their capacity as well. I want to put another engine module together so we can eventually have 2 engines available from right here at Paramount. So yeah, and I think that was the end of the slides. Yeah. Also, so just wanted to highlight we are doing, continuing to do fuels work in the rec area. We've accomplished about close to 325 acres of defensible space, treatments, and strategic fuels mitigations. So we're, as the Wildland Fire Service, we still support that mission, still support those fuels projects, and I'm hoping with the new fuels chief, we can definitely try to expand and get more acres treated in the future. So excited to be here, excited to work with everybody, and thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much.